One is sun energy, other one is moon energy. Our right nostril contains the energy of sun. The left nostril contains the energy of moon. In today's video, we are going to explore one powerful pranayam that will help you sleep better, that will remove all your tensions, anxieties, and that is also going to activate your vagus nerve. If you are facing insomnia regularly, this pranayam can be really effective. Let's explore Chandrabhedi pranayam, also called moon energy activation breathing. Through this pranayam, we are going to activate our moon energy. Sit into any comfortable position, both hands into chin mudra. In this breathing pranayam, we are inhaling through the left and exhaling from the right one. So I am going to close my right nostril with my right thumb. Now inhale through the left nostril. Close the left nostril. Exhale from the right one. Again close the right nostril. Inhale from the left. Closing the left nostril. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the left. Exhale from the right. I have seen some silly mistakes in Chandrabhedi pranayam. Mostly people, they inhale, exhale very fast. Making sure your inhalation and exhalation should go very smoothly. And also you have to focus on the breath. If you are inhaling and exhaling long and deep, you have to take control of your breath. The more you observe your breath, your mind will become silent. If you are inhaling, exhaling very fast, then it can disturb your Chandra energy, the moon energy. It will oppositely activate your sun energy, which is action mode. So if you want to sleep better, if you want to get relaxed, so you have to switch on your relaxation mode. Our moon energy is known for relaxation mode. And also, when the moon energy is working better in your lives, your parasympathetic nervous system is working better. This parasympathetic nervous system activates relax and digest mode. When your system is fully relaxed, you achieve a state of balance. You achieve a state of mindfulness. You also achieve a state of meditation. Because when your mind is silent, you feel that you are at the present moment. There are numerous benefits which this pranayam offers. If you are suffering from high blood pressure, high cholesterol, insomnia, digestion issues, then Chandrabhedi can be really effective. Now the question arises, what is the actual time to do this pranayam? I would recommend you start this pranayam in the evening. Try to avoid it in the morning sessions, because in morning your body needs sun energy so that you can do lot of things, so that your body comes into action mode. Because in our day-to-day lives, we have to face some challenges. We have to fight some challenges. We are going to face some responsibilities. For that, your sun energy should be activated in the morning. But as the day passes, we need more relaxation, more calmness, so that our mind and body remains in balanced state. The secret of better sleep lies in relaxation. If you have no mind state, you can easily go into deepness of sleep. So it's better to activate your moon energy in the evening. You can also do this pranayam just before going to bed, remember not to do it fast. Do it very smoothly, just like flowing a river. Stay blessed.